Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing an account type that accepts non-card verification, for example, education or promo code redemption. Once you pick that path, verify identity with a phone number and matching region. This prevents automatic card prompts. Make sure to obtain a prepaid virtual card or a student voucher before proceeding. If you have promo credits, redeem them now. These steps let you reach GCP console without entering a traditional credit card. Do them in order to avoid blocked setup screens. Once credits are in hand, go to billing and apply them to a new project. This is how you get temporary usage without a card. Then, set a tight budget and alerts, create a dollar limit, a 90% notification, and automatic shutdown rules to prevent surprise bills. Make sure you select F1 Micro or other free tier machine types and enable service quotas so you never exceed free allowances. This combination of credits, budgets, and tiny resources lets you run workloads safely and predictably. You finish by verifying billing. Confirm your project reports a zero balance and credits applied, then launch services. If the console still demands a card, troubleshoot, clear your browser cache, retry in incognito, or use a different phone for verification. Sometimes regional mismatches trigger card prompts. If problems persist, contact education admin or community support to request manual credit application. Make sure to monitor usage daily. This final check prevents unexpected charges and ensures your no-card workflow continues to function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.